Your Etsy store got a payment reserve. How to solve this? Hey, my name is Robert. I'm the co-founder of Valerio Print. And in this video, I'm about to show you and explain you why Etsy is having payment reserves in their profiles, in their system. So here we are inside Etsy account, and you can check, does your store have a payment reserve under finance and payments? So if your store has a reserve, you will have this type of window down below. So why Etsy is having these reserves? It all started a while ago when a lot of scammers came inside Etsy and started selling things and not sending them out to customers. And at that point, Etsy understood that they have to check every new seller. Isn't he a scammer, and will he follow the house rules of Etsy? So sending out goods on time, adding tracking numbers, replying to customers, and all that stuff is related to reserve on your account. So every new store after the first sale will receive a reserve on the account, and the reserve can be up to 45 days, and they can hold up to 80% of your funds, which means that you will not be able to pay out your money for 1.5 months. Sometimes they take the reserve off earlier. Sometimes you have to wait for all of the 45 days. So this is Etsy rule, which you have to keep in mind, that all of the sellers can face that. And in this particular store, we have the reserve already on the third time. So once we opened the store, we got the reserve. Then we started to scale the store, and Etsy put on a reserve again because they saw that the store is starting to grow. They just stored a reserve on it for a few days, and then they took it off. And now we got another reserve because by accident we didn't add a tracking number to one of the shipments, and did change the status, and Etsy did put a reserve on this order, on this account again, and they show that it's going to be on 45 days. So basically I believe that they will take it off earlier, but this can happen several times, and you cannot control this actually by any way, because Etsy has their own rules, and they can put the reserve any moment they want to, actually. So this is a downside of the platform, but if you sell on their platform, you have to follow their rules, and this is their rule that they can do reserves on your accounts. So follow house rules on Etsy, and your account will be healthy, and they will not put reserves after the first time once you register. But sometimes that happens, as in this store, they put it on few days maybe, and they take it off. So this is it, all you need to know about reserves. If you like content like this, hit the bell notification and subscribe to this channel, and you will be informed once we release new videos. And if you want to start your own print-on-demand business, follow our registration link down below and go to our free Etsy seller course, where we explain everything you need to know to start your own successful print-on-demand business.